How to use Notion for beginners on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Notion application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom panel and tap on the new note icon. Type in any message over here and then tap on the icon at the bottom left corner as shown. Here, you can ask AI anything. Type in your query. You can also mention other pages for context if you want. Once you get the results, tap on the Accept button. After that, tap on the font icon. You can now edit and change the font style from here. And then, you can add in AI meeting notes as shown. If you want to add media, then tap on the media icon and choose the photo or video you want to add. Go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. Here, choose a font style and then tap on Add to Favorites. Then, scroll down and tap on Add Cover. Choose a color for the page cover over here. Following these steps, you can easily use Notion for beginners on iPhone.